In October 2019, we were stood in this very place here presenting our 500 subscriber special, and in that video it was me that did the reverse bungee on South Pier. Today we're celebrating 10,000 subscribers, and this time it's Theo that's going to be taking on the reverse bungee. Question is, will he do it?
Let's go, champs. Any final words? Any final words? No, I, Theodore Taylor, am not a pansy no mo.
It brings out the man in him, definitely. Theo, on a scale of 1 to 10, how nervous are you? 100. It's near the top, mate. And what do you have to say to all these people that subscribe to this channel for getting up to 10k?
Thank you for subscribing.
Because guess what? It is time. Oh my god! Oh my life! Oh wow! You can't do a booster after this, mate. Seriously. to land.
How's that?
Good. I loved it.
You loved it? And you was nervous?
Well, what a way to celebrate 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for you guys for subscribing to this channel. And let's talk to...
I got another deal.
You've got another deal?
Yeah.
What's that?
If you get
10 more thousand.
yeah,
So that's 20,000.
and then I'll do it again.
Oh, so you want to see it once again, get us to 20k and he'll do it again. But seriously, Theo, how was it?
Awesome.
Would you do it again?
Yeah.
And you said in the car on the way home, it would be in your top 10 rides?
Yeah.
Whereabouts in the top 10 is it?
Number 1.
It's number 1?
Yeah.
Your favourite ride?
Yeah.
Wow, seriously. If you're wondering where we are, by the way, we're at home. Theo was that excited about doing the bungee. We actually forgot to film the outro to it, so we're doing it at home. But thank you so much for joining us in this very special video. If you are new or you're not even subscribed to this one, then you can subscribe completely free to this channel and follow us on our social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and TikTok. Thank you so much for joining us and this very special vlog. So bye from me.
Bye.
Stop the camera.